We're dealing with one sick bastard.
You're telling me they gutted the body, cut his head off, the intestines are hanging from the ceiling between you and me? There's enough blood here for 20 men.
What I really don't understand is this bird.
But it's not covered in blood. It's not part of the crime scene.
That's my point. It's the only thing not covered in blood.
My God.
From the directors who brought you International Affairs and Glasses.
What's your story, bird?
This case is too much for you. You're letting it take control of you, Johnny.
No! I haven't looked deep into it. It's just so special. It has so much answers. It's the bird, Mac. The bird.
Starring Greg Ramligan.
You'll tell me your secrets? All I have to do is kill?
And Jason Arrington.
Damn it, man! Don't you know what this is doing to you?
Damn it, Johnny. What have you done?